Welcome to my honest review of apob AI. AI avatars are blowing up, but can you really trust all these tools? Today, I'm reviewing apob AI, the trending platform that claims to create photorealistic avatars, talking videos, and even AI influencers. I tested it out for a week, and here's everything you need to know before you sign up. apob AI is a web-based platform where you can generate avatars from photos, turn them into short videos, add lip syncing, and even swap faces. You can use it to create AI characters, TikTok-style influencers, or social media content, without showing your own face. The platform is designed for anyone who wants to experiment with AI visuals, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about the technology. apob AI is entirely browser-based, so you don't need to download any software. You just sign up, upload your photos, and start creating. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it accessible even if you're not tech-savvy. One of the coolest things is how quickly you can generate avatars or videos. In just a few clicks, you can have a digital character ready for your next project or social post. Let's take a quick tour of the apob AI dashboard. The main features include image to video, talking avatar, and face swap. With image to video, you can upload a photo and turn it into a short, animated video. The talking avatar feature lets you add a script and voice to your avatar, making it speak in a realistic way. The face swap tool allows you to swap faces between images, opening up creative possibilities for memes, marketing, or just having fun. Let's look closer at each feature. The image to video tool lets you animate a still photo, adding subtle movements and expressions. It's great for profile pictures or social media posts that stand out. The talking avatar feature is where things get interesting. You can type in any script, pick a voice, and your avatar will speak your words. This is perfect for explainer videos, virtual presenters, or even fun messages to friends. And with face swap, you can swap faces between any two images. It's surprisingly accurate and can be used for memes, marketing, or just to have a laugh with friends. I started with the free plan, which gave me 80 credits a day, enough for about 3 to 4 avatar images. Uploading a selfie and choosing a style was easy, and the results were honestly pretty good. Here are some before and after results. Some avatars look stylized, some were impressively realistic, and a few turned out a bit weird. Next, I tried the talking avatar feature. I uploaded my photo, selected a voice, and added a script. The result? Kinda cool. But the lip sync was a bit off at times. Overall not bad for a beginner-friendly tool, but definitely not perfect. During my week of testing, I tried out different styles: cartoon, realistic, and even some fantasy looks. The platform gives you a lot of variety, and the results can be impressive, though sometimes a bit unpredictable. Some avatars looked almost identical to my real photo, while others had exaggerated features or artistic effects. It's fun to experiment and see what the AI comes up with. I also noticed that the processing time was usually under a minute, which is pretty fast compared to other AI tools I've tried. When I tested the talking avatar, I played around with different voices and scripts. The lip syncing was decent, but sometimes the mouth movements didn't match perfectly, especially with longer sentences. Still, for a beginner-friendly tool, it's impressive how much you can do without any video editing skills. Now here's where things get tricky. Like any new tech, apob AI has its downsides. First, I ran into some bugs and glitches. Some videos failed to render and others had syncing issues or weird facial distortions. Second, after checking online reviews, I noticed many users reporting unauthorized charges or being billed after unsubscribing. Third, while it's great for quick results, advanced users might find the editing controls too basic for professional projects. Let's talk about the issues I ran into. First, there were a few times when the site was slow or the rendering process got stuck. I had to refresh the page or try again later. Occasionally the avatars would have strange artifacts like mismatched eyes or odd facial expressions. It didn't happen every time, but it's something to be aware of. I also read several user reviews mentioning billing problems. Some people said they were charged after canceling or had trouble getting refunds. Finally, while the editing tools are fine for quick projects, they're pretty basic. If you want to fine-tune your avatar or video, you might find the options limited. Let's break down the pros and cons of apob AI. Pros: it's easy to use for beginners. You get free credits every day. Avatar and video generation is quick, and it's great for social content or experiments. Cons: the video features can be buggy, there's a risk of billing issues, it's not ideal for professional creators, and there's no mobile app as of now. Let's recap the pros. It's easy to use, you get free credits every day, and you can create avatars and videos quickly. It's perfect for social media experiments or just having fun with friends. On the downside, the video features can be buggy, and there's a risk of billing issues. It's not ideal for professional creators, and there's no mobile app yet. If you're just experimenting or want to try AI avatars for fun, app.apob.ai is a great place to start. But if you need high-end results for business or professional use, you might want to look elsewhere. So, is app.apob.ai worth it? If you're a casual user, creator, or just experimenting with AI visuals, it's definitely worth trying for free. But if you're looking for high-end video quality or business use, you might want to consider alternatives like Hagen or Synthesia. So, is app.apob.ai worth your time? For casual users, creators, or anyone curious about AI visuals, it's definitely worth trying the free plan. You can experiment without any risk and see if it fits your needs. But if you're looking for top-tier video quality or advanced features, you might want to check out alternatives like Hagen or Synthesia, which are more suited for business or professional projects. Have you tried app.apob.ai? Drop your experience in the comments below. If this review helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest AI tool reviews every week. Watch next. Best AI avatar tools compared. Thanks for watching. Have you tried app.apob.ai? Let me know your experience in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest AI tool reviews every week. And if you want to see more comparisons, check out my next video. Best AI avatar tools compared. Thanks for watching.